Welcome to Math with Teacher Mylan. So for today's video, I will discuss to you about transforming rational exponent into radicals and vice versa. So let A be a real number and let n be a positive integer greater than 1. And then a raised to 1 over n is equal to n square root of a. And a raised to m over n is equal to n square root of a raised to m. Expression with the rational exponent such as a raised to m over n either is the base and there is the numerator of the rational exponent and m is the denominator of a rational exponent. If we're going to change this one into radical expression, it will become n square root of a raised to m. And there is the index and a is a base of the radicand and m is the exponent of the radicand. Now, on the succeeding video, we're going to learn how to transform the rational exponent into radicals and vice versa. So now class, we're going to have 5 different examples of the transforming rational exponent into radical and vice versa. So first, we have 3 examples of transform the given expression with rational exponent into radicals. So first, we have 2 raised to 1 over 3. So the base there will serve as the radicand. So first, we will draw a radical sign. And then copy the base inside. And then the denominator of our rational exponent will be the index. And the numerator of the rational exponent will be the exponent of the radicand. But this is 1, so you don't need to write 1 anymore in the radical form. So this is the final answer. So let's move on to our number 2. So number 2, we have 2 base. Unlike in the number 1 is 1 base only. But in the number 2 have 2 base. So first, we have draw a radical sign. And then our denominator is 3, so will become 2 the index. And copy the base will become 2 radicand 2 and our numerator is 4, so will be the exponent of the radicand. And then this is not a answer, final answer. So we need to transform so copy the base side, then the index copy. So these 2 and this will become 2 raised to 4 and raised to 4. So what will happen? So you don't need to copy. So 2 raised to 4 will become 8. And then copy the n and exponent 4. So this is the final answer. So let's move to item number 3. So let's compare the number 2 and number 3. Here in the number 3, the only raised by rational exponent is simply a. So the number 2 is not included. So what will happen? So first, we will draw a radical sign. And then that is a cube. So our index is 2. So and the rational exponent we cannot express that visible 2. So we cannot express. Then now, in our base, what will happen? It will become, or it will put outside and the radical side. So this is the final answer. And the proper rate this answer is 2 square root of a raised to 3. So let's continue to our example number 4. So our number 4 and number 5 is different to our topic earlier. So our number 5 is transform the following radical form to exponential form. So what will happen to our example number 4? So it will become so our index here is, as we have a decimal 2. So we need to write para mabalaan dyan ninyo. So 2. So our base there is, our radicand will be the base. And the index there is our denominator of our rational exponent, and the exponent of the radical will become the numerator of the rational exponent. So this is the final answer. So let's move to item number 5. So what will happen, ma'am? So we have to copy the base or radicand. So will be the base. So here in the radicand, this we have a visible 1. So this one we put a parenthesis and 1, the visible 1, need to copy, and then our index. What is our index? So 3. So the index will become the denominator of the rational exponent. So this is the final answer. Bye.